What's up guys, how you doing? If you haven't been to my channel before, my name's Skraba, welcome. If you want to subscribe, the button is right down there. Today we're talking about the GoPro Hero 9 and all the accessories from Ulanzi. I have been using Ulanzi for a while, just to prove that. This is my GoPro Hero 7 cage from Ulanzi, and this is what Ulanzi did by, I think they have another company called Vigim, for the 3.5mm audio adapter. Just simple, easy. They're a great company, they do great things. So anyway, what I'm going to start with is their silicone cover, which is really nice and snug. Check that out. I mean, that is snug as you can get. And they also give you this, which I kind of put on and I was like, okay, fine. And then I was like, oh, you suckers. Check this out. They put a suction cup on so you don't lose the lens protector. Absolutely fantastic, really nice feel. It comes in at $7.95. The GoPro version comes in at $19.95, so quite a bit of difference. This is what they look like right next to each other. Really no difference except for the GoPro lanyard can be removed by clicking it in and taking it off. Pretty easy choice, right? Next thing is the waterproof case. This is the GoPro and the Ulanzi. You can see straight away that the GoPro one's got these kind of like hex bolts, which makes it look pretty badass. But apart from that, they have like, the Ulanzi has this nice kind of silver button on each side here, so you can press it in. It comes with one of these buckle mount things and a nice thumb screw. And on the back, instead of 4 foam pieces, you have 2 foam pieces. I think that's all you need. They are both good for 60 meters underwater. The GoPro one does come with an extra back door which has a hole in it so you can press the screen, but that renders the underwater usage useless. So water case, GoPro $50, Ulanzi $20. That's a big chunk of money left in your wallet. Quality is identical. I think this is H9 or 9H hardness, whatever they call it. It's called the G9-7, by the way. This is called the G9-1, the silicone thing. Next thing that is up is we're going to go through the back door. Now the first one we're going to go through is called the G9-3. And it's really simple. You basically just take off your GoPro back door like this, and you put on the G9-3, which kind of just goes onto the top and clicks in. And it basically looks like that. And it allows you to put in your USB-C cable, so you can use it as a time-lapse machine, for example. Plug it into the mains or plug it into a power bank and have it going all night, all day. That is the fantastic thing about it. The thing is that it is plastic, so... Oh yeah, I keep on getting it wrong. There is an arrow, by the way, telling you to pull it down. So it's the G9-3. It comes in at $7.95, so good price. Next one is the G9-2. You pop this in the top here and you slide it down. Oh, I think I already got that wrong. Pop it into the top and you slide it down, and there we go. That's what that one looks like. So it's basically a metal version with a little hole here for USB-C, and once again you pull it down and you take it off. Much better. I do really like the metal version. That comes in at $12.95. And this Ulanzi one, which is my favorite one, you clip it on the top and you just pop it down, just like the GoPro one. It's got this kind of like spring hatch, as you can see. And the cool thing is it has a cold chute on the side, so you can put a light on, a microphone, whatever you want. It's all metal, and it has a 1/4-20 right there. Check that out, see? No doubt the best back door you'll ever have, and it comes in at $15.95, so that is a really good deal. Yeah, it's called the G9-6. Really well made. It's just all metal. It's fantastic. You don't really need anything else. Next thing is the G9-4. It is a plastic case. It's similar to my GoPro Hero 7 one. Now to put it on, you do need to take off your back door. You need to open the back door on this. You have to open the back door on this, and you slide your GoPro Hero 9 in, click it closed, and there you go. That is the plastic case, and it comes in at $20 from Ulanzi. Look at that. It has a 55mm thread, so you can put on a Polar Pro, a Tiffin, or whatever you want, ND, variable ND filter, so that is really, really cool. It has two cold shoes right here, which you can take off and turn into one cold shoe, but if you want, you can have it on and you can have a light and a microphone, which is really cool. You do have access right here to turn on your camera. You have access to your USB-C here. This little thing in here is pretty cool. It's for your 3.5mm adapter, which, as we all know, is not available just yet. But you basically just put it in, slide it right into the back door hole, and boom, there you go. You've got a vlogging machine. It has the GoPro adapter at the bottom, and apart from that, it's really cool. I mean, if you want to take this off, they also give you a plastic cover, which you click on, and you protect your lens. It's yeah, it's a really cool company. I really do like their products. I got to tell you, I do have quite a lot of their stuff, including the lights. So getting this stuff off is just as simple. Take it off. Flip open your back door. By the way, if you want to have a closer look at it, that is basically what it looks like. It feels pretty well made. I mean, it is plastic, so if you're going to be dropping it, kicking it, and whatever, it might not last. That is why they made the G9-5, which is a monster. Check out this guy. I mean, just have a look at that and just drool over. I mean, this is an absolute monster. It is fully metal. It is really stunning. You have the GoPro adapter foot right here, which you can actually take off the 3.5mm audio adapter and stick it right onto the bottom of the cage if you want to. If you're not vlogging and you're just mountain biking or skiing or something, you can take off. You can take off the cold shoe riser. So you just have a normal cold shoe right there. Check that out. And the cool thing is this stuff is all done by these ball bearings. So you kind of click it in and it sits there. Same here. If you can see right there, there is a ball bearing right here. So you just kind of click it in and it sticks there. So we're taking off the back door, side door, slide in your camera, boom, put down the cage, nice and secure, slide this in. This also has a ball bearing for the actual door right there, just in case you wanted to know. Slide it in. We're gonna slide in our 3.5mm adapter right here and slide it into the side door hole. And there you go, that's what it looks like. Now, a lot of people use the GoPro, the Rode right here. That is probably why the riser's there. Can you see me? But on super view it gets in the way, on wide it gets in the way, so I don't know, I wouldn't use it. I much prefer using the Rode Wireless Go, and then I just render the top useless and make it even more low profile, and this is what my vlogging setup looks like normally. At the moment it doesn't because there's no update, but that is what your vlogging setup could look like. And you also have another cold shoe right here, which you can put a light on or whatever doodahs you want to stick on there. Extremely well made, it really is. It's a beautiful cage. Also 55mm for your variable ND filters. Fantastic stuff from Ulanzi. Oh yeah, this one, the G9-5, my favorite one, comes in at $50, but I well think it's worth it. It really is something that you could just throw your GoPro around and the cage is going to take all the hits. It is really, really, really well made. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. Give me a like if I did help you, and subscribe because, like I said, tons more coming.